Hi, my name is Raghav Surya. I'm the co-founder of Arriva, an environmental consulting company based in Waterville, Maine, made in this very dorm room, co-founded in May 2024 by 3 college students. I'm an environmental policy student myself. I founded this company with Travis Bendler, an economics student at Colby College, and Brian Thiam, an economics and computer science student here at Colby College. Our mission at Arriva is primarily to connect emerging tech startups in the New England region with consulting services that will help them acquiesce the benefits of a lot of government-based programs and incentives that have recently been offered through legislation such as the Inflation Reduction Act and Maine's 50-year climate plan signed into law by Governor Collins. And there are a lot of benefits and incentives that are available to a lot of these startups and small companies that they simply don't have. There's a knowledge gap there. They don't have access to the knowledge that will help them effectively acquiesce those benefits. And Arriva is the Tamil word for knowledge. I come from a Tamil household myself. I'm the son of 2 immigrants, and my whole entire life I've grew up wanting to achieve this dream of starting a company, making my parents proud. And I've taken a lot from my personal heritage as a Tamil American, and I felt that Arriva, the Tamil word for knowledge, really encapsulated the experience of starting this company. So at the end of the day, we are selling knowledge. We are trying to find companies that are emerging just like us and connect them with the resources and knowledge and roadmaps and operational logistics necessary to get real cash benefits, tax incentives, and government certifications that can really aid a lot of these businesses and provide a mutual benefit to both to our company, those emerging companies, and also the environment. Because at the end of the day, all the government tries to do when they try put in these programs is connect businesses with incentives and programs that can help them while moving them towards the direction that the government wants them to go. And in a lot of ways, that process is impeded by a lack of information and a lack of knowledge available. And so Arriva positions itself in the gap to fill in the information that a lot of tech startups and a lot of startups in general miss out on, so that they can then acquiesce incredible benefits and incredible rewards from the U.S. government that are moving them rightfully in a direction that is more sustainable and better for our planet and better for Mainers and better for people in New England. Overall, Arriva is a fantastic startup company, and I hope that Greenlight Maine gets us on the show and gets us talking to people who can help make this dream a success and a reality. Thank you.